how to enable double tap to turn screen on and off on Android. It's a really useful feature, and in this video, I'll show you how to enable it step by step. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Next, scroll down and tap Advanced Features. Now tap Motions and Gestures. Now you'll see the option Double Tap to Wake. Turn it on if you want to wake your phone by simply double tapping the screen. If your Android supports double tap to turn off screen, you'll also see that option here. Turn it on to lock your phone by double tapping an empty area on the home screen. Once you've enabled the available option, lock your phone and try double tapping the screen to wake it up. It's a quick and convenient way to use your phone without pressing the power button every time. And that's it. Your Android is now set up for double tap screen controls. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android how-to tutorials.